Okay, let's have a look at the surveys. The first survey was about the textbook. Let's have a look. We had 7 people respond yes, 3 no. I think we got one other person who didn't respond. We need to get everyone to get the textbook as soon as possible because we can go online and it's going to be a lot easier to use a textbook. We will use the textbook today, but if you go online, it's going to be a lot easier. That's the student's book. More people bought the workbook. Okay, we got 9 people here responding they have bought the book, and 2 people no. We will start using this next week. Okay, both the student's book and the workbook. So, can you buy it? I'm going to give another survey this week. Okay, and we're going to find out if the results are different. So, that's the first one. Okay, let's move on to the second survey. This is all about your English level. Let's have a look. What do people say? This is the first question. As you can see, English is the weakest one. All right. So we're using Vocaloid places where we can talk. Reading and writing seem to be the strongest. Listening and speaking the weakest on these results. All right. Since junior high school, which skill has not improved much? Again, speaking. Okay, we're in a situation. We have to be at home using Moodle and Google Classroom, so it's going to be harder, but we got chances. So we're going to try and improve on that. For your future employment, speaking English is the most important skill. Let's have a look at the results. Do you agree? Yes, strongly agree on that one. How would you compare your English level to your parents? I am better than them. So that's good news. Yep. Most of you said that you're better than your parents. I'm in the middle. How many people said here? 2 people said the mother was better than them. And 1 person said they're in the middle. All right, but most of you, you're better than your parents. Let's go on down. When listening to the teacher speak only in English, how much can you understand? Okay, and we got around 63 out of 100 said that they can understand most of it. Okay, so that's quite positive. That's over 50%. What about question 6? Do you think the teacher should speak in English slowly or at normal speed? Look at the results here. We got 50-50. So this class is 50-50. You should be normal speed or you should speak slower. That's interesting. It's exactly 50-50 results. There you go. So this one is just some feedback. I'm going to choose a few speeches here. Can you write a sentence or 2 about what you like and dislike about English? Okay, I'm going to choose a few. What's this one say? When you are learning a different language, it is fresh and very fun, especially when studying words. I don't like practicing pronunciation. Unfortunately, you have to. That's a very important part. All right. What else? Let's go down here. I like to use words and phrases I've learned. I dislike the case that my English wasn't understood when I spoke to people. All right. So again, pronunciation would improve that one. What else have we got down here? I like speaking with my friends in English, but I don't like writing in English because I'm concerned about grammar. Yep, that's a big point. We do grammar in this course, but it's more to do with speaking rather than writing because it's a speaking course. But still, if you think speaking is first, writing is second. Okay, people communicate first with speaking. Good grammar. Okay, I can't pronounce wood and water, etc. It's difficult to pronounce for me. I don't like that, but improving my English skill makes me happy, and I like that. All right, there you go. There's a few feedbacks there, and here's the last couple of questions. What's the book you read in English? The last we got Hobbit, we got The Little Prince twice, Peter Pan, Stranger Danger. That's a famous one. Peter Rabbit, high school English textbooks, Kate and the Dream Eater, More high school. Orange is the new black. Okay, that's from a TV show. The President's Murder. That's a book in Kyoai, and textbooks from high school. And the last one. Have you ever used graphs and pictures or PowerPoint before to help with your speech? Okay, so we've got 8 say yes, 4 say no. Okay, so we might try and use PowerPoint, but you can also use PowerPoint using Google Classroom, but I'm not sure if we should use that or not, because we have 4 people who said no. So no decision on that one. Alright, so those are the results from the 2 surveys.